All right, we're going to talk a little bit about roaster maintenance and cleaning and fire damage. What can happen whenever your roaster has not been cleaned. I posted a few pictures on Facebook the other day. This roaster inside of it is really dirty, and I'm going to give it to Harley to attach to this video. But what had happened was that the customer got busy. What we always worry about. His business has grown. He's been in business for 7, 8, 10 years, and he no longer took care of his roaster no more. His staff started taking care of his roaster, and they forgot to clean it. Anyway, you take a look at it underneath. This is underneath the stir. You can see how dirty all this was under here, that debris. You can see the shaft and the motor and the gearbox. All this stuff is ruined. It's all going to have to be replaced. That's probably right there alone going to be around $500 to $700 a part. And if the customer, you can tell from the heat, even these wires have been a little soft and sticky together. Here on the inside, lucky for us, the machine's built pretty solid. Probably already done. I had no idea what the screw's stuck in here for. People do some strange things. Sometimes they had a roaster for 10 years. We'll go back over here and talk about the fan just a little bit. It's interesting. There are two kinds of fans right here. Years ago, one time, as we were learning, I have to admit, we brought some of these fans. We thought, oh wow, really good, they'll move a lot of air. And we were smart enough to know not to use these on a drum, because the drum has a lot of, when the chafe comes out of the drum, once it comes off the beam, it has some moisture with it. That moisture would have it stick to these fan blades. So we would go ahead and use these fan blades on coolers. But we found out that customers don't like to take the cooler fan out and clean it either. So after several years, the diesel will build up in the cooler. Since then, generally what we have gone to is motors are pretty cheap, as we use a welded 10-gauge fan. You can tell this fan right here, he's cleaned it a little bit, this one a little bit. They stay a lot cleaner. This is what we replace this fan with. It will not go in the housing. It's the bad part about it. It would require refits in order to refit the roaster. But we use the flat blading. The flat blading does not build up, does not get the chafe built up on it, even when it's being used in a drum housing, like sucking on the drum. So what you got to remember is the fan housing will still get a lot of buildup in it, and the pipe going to the front of the roaster will get built up in it. It's not clean. That's more likely where the fire started with this machine. So somewhere in the chafe collector or in the fan housing. But anyway, I just want to show you a little bit of damage here that can happen. If you really don't have time to clean your roaster, this machine right here needs a gear drive. It needs a fan motor and a stir. It needs a fan motor for the drum. And also it had pretty well destroyed the paint job. $3,000 mistake. So nobody had taken a little time to spend 30 minutes every week or two on that coffee roaster. Anyway, thank you very much. Come back and see us again soon.